So, good morning. Morning. Hopefully this video will actually be in 1080p because I somehow, I don't know, okay, I can't see me like this. I actually once decided to only record in 720p, maybe, or probably because, you know, the files are much, quite, you know, half the size of now quite, which is dangerous. Like, you know, they're really big right now, I guess. But yeah, it's not too bad. There's something worse outside there. But yeah, gonna do some things for school because I haven't, and I should have, which is not good. But yeah, gonna do this. I'll see you. So, I now gotta just do the laundry again. Just fucking fear to actually not drop my bed like this, but yeah, anyways. I hope that I didn't just, because I somehow fucked it up with the laundry. Hope that's okay. The balcony with the fucking laundry. It's fucking hot outside, and now afterwards I'm gonna eat some really great shit. Maybe I should even already take the things with me. Yeah, right. Do I want some tomato sauce? I guess so. Taking it. So. Gonna wash my hands real quick. Yeah, a little fucked up, I'd say. I don't know, but can you see that back there? There's also just a tree just in the middle of the path. Yeah, so they actually carry my bike over it. I hope that's not gonna be even more here on the way. But actually back there were some police stripes. Don't know if they're called like this. I don't fucking know. But yeah, don't know what you think, but I guess, can you see this even? It's that one. Yeah, please focus. Don't want to focus. Now you focus. It's that one. Yeah. My god. Just wow. That's bad. Well, I don't know. Complicated. Very, very complicated. But yeah, never mind. Do that? Well, I could. Oh my fucking god. Well, I guess I solved the problem, yeah. I mean, like, this would be fucking great, but I would just die, I guess. Like, oh no, I'm gonna just go up there. Just had to drive a very, very narrow path or way, whatever. But great, fucking great. I don't think that I could actually